Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to create a channel in WhatsApp. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type web.whatsapp.com and hit on enter right now. Do note that I have already logged into my account. If you're facing any issues and do not know how to open WhatsApp in your laptop device, we have created a video regarding that as well. Now from this section, let's focus on the left hand side of the screen. Here is chat, community, status, and finally channels. Right here, as you can see, I have already subscribed to a channel, and at the top right of this channels tab you will find something like a plus icon. Simply click on it and then you'll get two options, whether you want to find channels or simply create a channel. Select the first option which says create channel. Now this will open up. What you need to do is simply hit on continue. Now it's gonna ask you to give your channel a name. Do note that you can also give your channel a description. You can also add a channel icon. I'm not going to do that right now. I'm simply going to create a channel. Here's the icon right here that says create channel. Simply hit on it. And there you go. That's how we create a channel on WhatsApp. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.